poop deck. Ah, that's handy. It's got a poop deck. Very cool. What is a poop deck? What's up everyone, Steve here again from RC Tanks and Trucks 24/7. Welcome to the channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell so you get notified of all the latest content because there is heaps coming up. Now, what we have today is the new trailer kit from HG. This one is called the HG P806. Now it's a trailer, it's full metal pretty much, like maybe 2% plastic. It weighs 10.5 kilos and it has a 40 kilo load capacity. That's pretty impressive. Now what's cool about it, it is 1/12 scale, but for the tanker guys like myself, you can fit a 1/16 scale tank on there easy. You know, the scale is not going to be perfect, so it's going to look pretty decent on there as well. So that, from memory, well, I think that's a 1/16 scale Abrams tank on the back of the actual photo itself, so that's pretty impressive. Now this one is apparently supposed to hook up to the P802. I have the P801, which is the green one with the you know, the tip bed, so it doesn't have a trailer hitch, but I would be interested to see if it hooks up to like a Tamiya truck, which is like a, what are they, 1/14 scale. So that'd be pretty interesting. So if I can hook it up to that, that'd be pretty cool. If not, I might have to get a HD P802. That's a mouthful. Also, it can hold tanks, it can hold the Hummer, that one there, which is a HG model, and also the 6x6 as well, so that'll be pretty cool. I think that'll be fantastic. It'll look great just on the shelf, but I want to actually use these guys. So in this video, I will open it up, have a look at what you get inside. I'm not going to build it, just want to quickly show what it is. There are a lot of parts, and I mean a lot of parts, and it's, like I said, all pretty much metal, but yeah, it looks really cool. So put it together and we'll see how it looks. And also, like always, if you're interested in these products, the links are in the description down below. It comes in a pre-assembled kit or a kit like this which you need to assemble yourself. So let's go check it out. Alright, here is the front of the box. Now you can see it's freaking awesome. There's an Abrams tank there. And this is a 1/12 scale trailer, so it's quite large. This is a 1/16 scale tank. So for us tank guys, we'll be able to fit a 1/16 scale tank on there. So Henglong, Tamiya, Tajin, all those ones, this will be perfect for it. So it is pretty awesome. Now, the weight of this trailer is about 10.5 kilos alone, because it majority is made out of alloy and steel and all that kind of good stuff. There is not much plastic at all on this. Now it says here on the box that it can hold up to 40 kilos, so that's pretty sick. And on this picture here, you can see that is the HG P802. Now I have the 801 with the, like the cargo or like the container at the back. I don't have the 802, so I'm wondering if this would actually work with a Tamiya, like a truck with the hitch. I'm not too sure if this will actually made up with it, but I'll be pretty interested to find out. So I don't know, I might have to get one of these P802s from HG because they are awesome. But just check that out. How mad does that look? Pretty sweet, isn't it? So let's have a look here. Can be equipped with the 802 tracked head, so that's saying with this hitch. Aluminium alloy load, steel beams and all alloy body. 40 kilos weight it can hold. So I've seen a video of some guy actually standing on it, so that is pretty sick. Now the height 245, width 269, the total length with the tailgates down is 1.1, well yeah, nearly 1.2 meters, and just over 1 meters with it up like that. So that is pretty impressive. So 1 meter, so that's pretty cool. Now I've already taken the top of the box off, so I can do this one-handed. Now I wanted to get this video out because I haven't seen many on it and it looks really impressive. Now it's been out for a little while, but I think they've just started to release these guys. So, and it does come in a self-assembled kit like this one, or one that's pre-assembled already. Links in the description if you want to go check them out for more info, but it's a pretty lengthy build process. I'm not sure if we're going to do a full build video on this because it just takes so long to do it, but let's have a quick look inside the box. Now check out these on my Instagram page. If you're not on my Insta, go check it out. RC Tanks and Trucks 24/7. I've just done a quick peek of this, but look at this. These are solid metal. So these are obviously the beams on the left and right of the truck. But what this has, it's got like electronic functions as well. It comes with a little remote control to raise and lower the back of the trailer itself. But like all these other HG products, they're really detailed. Like check out that. It's got everything you need. So this is all your screws and it's all labeled. Really impressive. I'm actually really impressed with these guys. Yes, they are expensive, but I think for what you're getting, this is pretty good value for money. Like, check out how many little boxes we got going on here. Virtually electronics. Look, there's your. It's got like LED lights and all that kind of cool stuff. I know a lot of you guys like this unboxing. Just check out how many LEDs there are. You can have your tyres and wheels. Little part here, but like even that part, you think it's plastic. It's metal as well. So more wheels. Comes with zip ties, little toolkits, and what I like about these HD cars, I know it's kind of trivial, but they come with a full set of like heads, 2.5, 2, 1.5, all that kind of cool stuff. So parts, and more parts. So this video is going to quickly show you what you get in the box, because if you guys are interested, you know, go check it out. Like I said, links will be in the description. But yep, all these are metal. You can just hear it clanking away. Now HG, if you don't know, they also make, well, they make that Toyota Hilux rip-off thing there. They also make the Hummer, this guy up here as well, this army vehicle there, the 6x6, and that will fit on the back. So what I forgot to mention, these are perfect for the Hummers and all the other series like the 6x6 and the P801, 02. Pretty sure they all will fit on the back, but well, there's the shocks. They're just spring loaded. More parts. Wow, look at that. It's just a treasure trove of parts in there. Check out that. Now, if you guys are into building, if you like Tamiya kits and stuff, well, this would be right up your alley. There's the springs there as well. Parts on parts. Wow, okay. So this is a transition bridge, it's called here. Let's see how wide it is and stuff. That's freaking sick. And that's thick. That's thick too. That's what she said, eh? More parts here. What do we got here? Oh, these are the axles. What do we got here? Tail gearbox assembly. Sweet, nice detail. It's got like a little control box in there. Although that's got a little motor in there. That's how operates the rear to raise and lower. Now this part is a light. That's plastic. So that's the first bit of plastic I've seen. What else we got in here? Wow, there we go. Beam cover. Holy shit, now this is heavy. That's solid bit of aluminium. Beam connecting block. Far out. I know I keep saying it's heavy, but it really is. It's just, people think, oh, it's plastic, or it's so expensive, but when you look at what you're getting and the actual weight of this, it's like it's 10 kilos, this trailer. That's the front of it there. So I'll do a few videos of this. Suspension, base accessory. So some of these, you know, some of the interpretation to the English language are a bit funny in these, but it makes it exciting, I guess. Rear connecting block. And look, it's really well put together as well. I know it's going to be ripped apart, but I do appreciate nice packaging, that's for sure. Front connecting block of the crank arm. Okay. Middle beam. Yeah, I'm not going to do a step by step with this. I'm going to pretty much put it together in pieces, in chunks, because it just takes too long. And I'm a pretty busy lately, but I think someone else has done a quick time lapse of this if you want. I'm not too big fan of time lapse, but there we go. Damping arm. So as you can see, it's just parts on parts on parts. It's freaking awesome. Oh, here's the rear tailgates. Tail boards they're called, so left and right obviously. The other one's there. What have we got here? Get that out. Whoa, that is a super chunk. Front pedal. Okay, nothing like that. Oh wow, check out these. So these are the left crank arm, so that's obviously, you know, the left and right sides of it. You know, like that, how it drops down. Poop deck. Ah, that's handy. It's got a poop deck. Very cool. What is a poop deck? Nope, that's a bit of plastic. Everything else down here is probably the little small plastic parts, the accessories and stuff like that. The lights also does come with some, what's that? Damper oil, some grease, everything you need to rock it get the party started. So as you can see, it's a full-on build, that's for sure. Now there's so many parts in here, it's not funny, but yeah, I think you get the idea. Heaps of parts, and just look at the amount of LEDs in here. Far out. It's more than like a normal car. Here's your circuit board. Really cool. But you get the idea, guys. So I think this will be a multi-part series, that's for sure. Now if I can open this one hand, let's have a look at this manual. So much cool stuff coming on the channel as well, guys. And if you haven't, please subscribe for free. Heaps of, like I said, heaps of awesome new content coming your way really soon. But here is a little brief introduction about the model itself, tools you needed, and what it does include the 1.5, 2 and 2.5. Gives us everything. So that was in that little, there you go, that's in that little box that had the motor in it. So it's not just a simple kit, there is a lot to it. Look at all the LEDs where you got to put everything. So yeah, this will take a long time. I'm not going to do this on camera, that's for sure. So I'll probably build stages and we'll see how we go. But a lot of you guys just want to see it in action as well. Nice, isn't it? This is just a work of art, in my opinion. I don't think there's many trailers apart from Tamiya that make trailers. Let me know down in the comments who else makes reasonably priced trailers. Now it takes 3 AA batteries as well. That's obviously for the electronics. But there we go. So here, so you can hook it up to the receiver that I think you can get with your P801 and P802, and that's where you can attach it or make it kind of work with the stock transmitter. I'm not too sure if you can do it, retrofit it to another one. We'll have to try find that out. But it raises and lowers those up to 120 degrees apparently. So that's what it does. And all these other ones I think are for the lights, or the other buttons and stuff are for the lights. Motor drive port, right steering lamp, yeah, so battery. So these look like all the other buttons on the controller are for the lights, but don't quote me on that. We'll definitely have a look at that in the near future once we get it all up and running. But as you can see, quick unboxing, first look at this sick kit. HG P806 is the actual name of this trailer. So if you want to go check it out, like I said, links are in the description. If you haven't, please subscribe. Part 1 of this video. Part 2, let's I'll probably start getting it together and not waste any more of your guys' time. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Steve here. Have a good day and see you soon.